Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here. I'm at the Madison, Wisconsin habitat. Going over there are a number of ceiling fans here. There are some here and some out back. Emerson. The really cool stuff is in the back. There's Mr. Dan.
What's up? You filming?
Yes.
As Andy would say, I don't know if he's here yet, no paparazzi.
Yeah.
Speaking of the devil,
Yeah.
talk him up.
More than I can bear.
Good to see you. It's been a little while.
Since I think the last Blue Olives gig you were playing at.
Oh yeah. Well, no, not the last one. I just did one with them Saturday.
Oh, nice.
Saturday.
Cookie Monster.
So, yeah, I'm assuming you haven't seen yet because I put a video on YouTube, but I don't think you watch my YouTube channel religiously. I added 10 fans in the warehouse.
Nice.
So feel free to go back and take a look.
I'm gonna take some.
Yeah, Delta 2, lots of Casablanca parts and stuff.
Here we go.
Homestead.
Dan's future projects.
Yes. many.
Suspiciously similar to the rows of shelves that are at Metal Pete Shop.
Yeah. I was just there 2 nights ago. Yeah.
Only, I think when I was last there, maybe 2 years ago, there was maybe 1 or 2 of these units, and they seem to have multiplied.
Yep. Industrials.
I need to print some price stickers. So I'm hoping that Mark will clean out this pile and take it to Indiana and sell at a profit.
My cover's blown.
Oh, no, never mind. I didn't say anything. I told Metal Pete to do the same thing, but he couldn't get off work to get up here while the store was open.
Oh man. SMC.
That Casablanca is the only one that I left that was previously up there.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, that was up there already.
Ah.
And that area is going to become cubicles, so if they don't put a drop ceiling, I figure Casablanca is as good as anything.
Yeah. Some kind of little vintage
Feel free to mess
desk
with the
thing.
control too, it's right there. This is next to the circuit breaker box.
Aha! Ah, the one that says fan, that makes sense.
Yeah, that's it, man.
Lascos.
Emersons.
Yeah. I think those are Lascos.
Yes, the 2 small Lascos. Figured you'd like these, Andy.
Yeah.
These are up here. Do you remember Wolf Kugli?
Which version? The one
In Hilldale.
Yes.
This is the same fan that hung over the, not the identical one, but like it's the same type of fan that hung over the
That shit little shop workshop in the back.
Oh, there's that. Okay.
the
little
clock
6-blade thing.
in the front. Had that on the counter. I loved it as a kid, so I was
That
actually
was the clock shop. I can remember.
yeah. And so that we actually had that out for sale, and nobody bought it. And I was like, wait a second, that's basically a commercial motor. We can put that back here. And the other one small one. Neil asked for a fan over his desk. And around here, Neil swings the big bat. He gets whatever he wants.
There's not much to get down to put a fan in.
Oh, folks, thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. If you could do me a favor and click
not bad.
like on this
The
video,
last one was balancing worse than
subscribe
that,
to
but
my
it's,
YouTube page called The Fan Cave, and
I didn't spend any
check out these other guys' YouTube pages as well. You've got,
now that it's settled some, it's
yeah, what's the name of your YouTube pages, guys? I keep forgetting.
Dan Spiffy Neuman and
Andy Wehrle.
Alright.
Wow, those are complicated and hard to remember.
Yeah, yeah, really. So,
W-E-H-R-L-E.
what's that?
W-E-H-R-L-E.
Ah.
You might have trouble, but I haven't posted a fan video in quite a while. Heck, I could do one right now.
Yeah, yeah.
You sure could. And again, I told Mark to go mess with the control, but he didn't do it.
Not yet. I'm getting there.
Does the Delta, these two SMCs, and the bigger CEC. And that's where there were originally fans.
Oh, okay.
And then everything else is just a light junction box that a fan was attached to.
Haha.
So.
Lots of spin downage.
Yes. And then if you want to spin down the other ones, we'd have to kill breakers.
Nah, it's not worth it.
Probably not while the store's open.
Yeah.
I did a video where I did all of that. Is this low or is this off? Oh, you turned it off. Gotcha.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So, Andy may remember. You wouldn't know because you're not from here. When I was a kid, this was McClymonds True Value.
Oh, cool.
And over the showroom, there were 6 first-generation gold lines.
Woo.
And there were at least 2 in the back room.
Nice.
And I never went in the back room, so there might have been more. But one of them hung right there. Because you can see the hook and the outlet where it plugged into.
Oh, yeah.
I was going to put a fan there, but 2 reasons. One, that outlet is now dead, but in all the various remodelings, the power to it is on. And the other is that now that there's this bay door here, a fan couldn't fit.
Oh, yeah.
If you want to buy any of those fans, you should probably do it soon because Adam is the